Now we're going to configure a tower crane, and we'll go to our cranes menu, and we have a 550 ECH Liebherr tower crane. So we will start that, and that loaded properly. That's good. And now we'll get a tower section right about middle, 367, and we'll place it at 0, 0. And kind of tallish. And now we'll go ahead and configure the tower. And we have 3 jib choices, 136, 169, or 202. Let's select the middle one. And now we are configured. And our trolley sheave height is 378.4. So let's see what else we got here. Number of commands. And one of them is go to. That's very handy. Let's try that one out. And let's pick the node point in the apex of that rigging. And we hook the hook right up to it. Very efficient. Looks good. Now let's go to our layers list. And there's one that we're very interested in. 550 ECH load. So we made that current, and now that's in the layers box there to remind us what its name is. And we can do CHPROP, and we'll change that payload to reside on layer 550 ECH load. And now when we raise the hook, presumably the payload would go with it. Let's go up to 200 feet. And it does. So that works well. And let's see what else we can do with this tower crane. Well, we can move it. Tower crane and load and all. New spot there. Don't really want to do that. Let's do an undo. We can swing. And that is as you would expect. All the top works. Rotate to a new position. And we can adjust the reach. Right now we're at 137.5. Let's go to an even 100-foot radius. And our radius changes. So that worked well. We did a go-to already. We did the hook elevation already. We can spin the hook, and that works as if a tag line were on it. And then another command, in case we are tied off to a building or something like that at an angle, we can skew the tower. That rotates the whole tower about its centroid. So we can do that too. And let's see any other commands we can do. We can place a climber. And let's say it's at 288. Way up there, maybe a little bit high. And we can move it down to a more reasonable level where we can insert new sections. Let's look at that from a different angle. We see we got a lifting davit too built into that climbing section. So very versatile tower software here, and works just like all of our other commands, very similar. We tried them all, and everything is working great. Thank you.